Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Google Assistant option into a Realme 9i. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so click it and choose settings. Here tap Google Assistant and in this menu scroll down and find general option. And now click here on the switcher to activate your Google Assistant. Turn on Google Assistant, need to confirm operation, click turn on one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.